off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that it's so They ask how I get that I'm too busy getting this money, can this cheddar.
Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter.
Bro, it took me 10 minutes to wash it.
So do you want to help put this stuff in the refrigerator or do you want to find things?
Hey. Guess what we got going? We got steaks. Look at the steaks. This is the before. The after is about to go crazy. I'm telling you. Chef Boyard LT in the building. You feel me? And this boy think he can cook steaks better than me. He don't even look like he can cook steaks. He just look like he eat them. That's all. That boy just eats the steaks. I cook the steaks. Don't even listen to this boy right
So
here.
what we're gonna do is when we're editing, when Kev's editing, he's gonna put a cap on his head, cause it's cap.
That boy real lit.
Hey, where did the bread go?
We don't got no greens. We don't got no greens.
So you mean we gonna have a meal with no veggies?
That's not healthy.
We're gonna have to cut this. Go look out in the two freezers out in the garage. There's gotta be some veggies in there. So.
Canned veggies in the freezer.
Not canned, boy. This boy said canned veggies in the freezer.
Oh my god.
Boy, what is you doing?
What are you
You know one
doing?
thing you be doing when you be like, how you do it?
What?
You do it the curve. What do you be like?
Oh, this?
Yep.
Exactly. Oh, looks like you found some vegetables.
Good job.
Hey,
Applause for Curtis.
Star in the universe.
Actually, I'm the sharpest knife in the drawer.
He's the dullest knife in the drawer. Somebody got to sharpen that boy up, man. Right now, see what we got here going right here, man. We just got the little butter on there. You know what I'm saying? I'm really not a chef, though. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah, cause I'm a chef.
It feels like epic mealtime
yeah,
with the Thompsons.
yeah, that's what it is. Some people don't let my trainer see all this butter on this steak, though. You know what I'm saying? Jay, if you're watching this, man, from home, I'm telling you right now.
Oh, remember last time Jay got you for eating the churros?
And he whooped my butt in the gym. Oh my god.
Yep, get on him, Jay. Get him.
Strawberry lemonade and raspberry.
What?
So get this. It was supposed to be strawberry lemonade and it's raspberry lemonade. Okay.
As my daughter is flying back to California, hopefully only for 2 weeks, and she's gonna come back, but she doesn't know I'm gonna enroll her in school, so she's gonna have no choice. Oh, hi, Mia.
Right. This ice cream go crazy. Shout out
All right.
to Cold Stone.
We're gonna come back when this
Yeah, we gonna see. This is the
this
before.
goody stuff is gonna get started.
People can't trust in no. I don't have love for no. Keep all your hugs and your kisses. It ain't no leverage for me. It's just better for business. They playing my songs on the radio. A had radio wishes. Some people gon' hate. That's the way it go. They wish I ain't stayed as committed.
What do you think? What do you think?
Hey, I'm thinking this is gonna be amazing, man. I'm just saying, I really love cooking steak. Can't you tell? Look. No, like.
Love cook great. You hear that, ladies? He cooks fantastically.
Nah, I don't want to put it on too thick now. I don't want to put it on too thick. I'm just alright. We're gonna see what it tastes like. See, I'm already having technical difficulties.
Boy. Bro, what are you doing? How you feeling yet? Oh, this...
I feel like he's ugly. That's
No, how do you feel about tomorrow, though?
I
She don't care. She wanna go back.
I didn't ask you.
I
Shut
don't
up.
really know how I feel yet. I just want to make a clone of myself so I can be in 2 places at once.
How would
Yo,
you do
that's
that?
actually not a bad idea.
Find a scientist that can do that.
Or
There's
just
a difference from-
find like your I don't know.
There's a difference from being 2 places at once and having a clone.
If I have a clone, then the person can be there while I'm wherever I'm at.
Yeah, dude.
So be
That's
quiet.
still dumb.
You're dumb, bro.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I'm dumb, but you asking me to spell criminal.
That's cap.
This boy don't know how to spell criminal.
That's cap.
Welcome when they hate. I've been through hustle, struggle, pain. Steady trying to find a way. You know it never finna change. I done came up from the bottom. Niggas hated on me, niggas steady wildin'. Yeah, I ain't worried about the problems, cause I'm always out here trying to get the dollars. Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I just be watching little YouTubes and be like, oh, that's how you do that? Okay, cool. That's how you do it. See, hey, you see, I'm out the bag with it. Like, you know what I'm saying? This ain't grandma cooking though. This is really single dad life cooking. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
We got the cheat code. You know what I'm saying? The little cheat code. You know what I'm saying? I want this right here. The little cheat code. Where Kurt put the little. Where did Kurt put the noodles at? I don't even know where he put the noodles at. You know. Look at that food again. Oh, he put them up here. Barvita. Barvita.
That's the secret. That's the secret. That's the secret. Not everyone knows, so it's not a secret.
Oh, where's my little special thing at?
Yeah.
Make sure you pray for it. Lord, stop now. Take it off. I'm not playing if I mess you up. Eat your food.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
In many ways, the work of a critic is easy. We risk very little, yet enjoy a position over those who offer up their work and themselves to our judgment.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
No, it's good.
That stuff was already up there.
Yeah, but that's how you.
I didn't. I forgot. It's shriveled up.
Yeah, because you cooked it too long.
I like it bloody and I don't like
It
that.
ain't even bloody.
What is that? Blood. No, I like mine.
That's right.
Bro, it's
And-
cooked.
Yeah.
Y'all like y'all steak
You
a
like
certain
it
way.
like
I
beef
like my
jerky.
stuff a certain way.
She like her steak like beef jerky.
I like all my meat, chicken, whatever, well done. Okay, extra well done.
You like it burnt.
Burnt to the crisp.
Right.
Oof.
One thing with me is I don't like
Make
the
sure you
fat.
get your food, man.
For real?
Make sure you get your food.
Something that was.
I don't like the fat,
How
bro.
it tastes?
It's not that bad. I can do better.
No, you brat. Oh my god, this kid.
No, that's good though.
Oh yeah, he said he had better by me.
No, actually, I can do better. I can do better.
Okay.
No, you can't.
When we do the cook off, we're gonna see.
Ooh, is that a teaser? Maybe?
Hey, stay tuned. We're gonna do a cook off. Me versus him. You know what I'm saying? Straight.
Oh, let's get to this stage.
Who's gonna be the judge of that?
It was a short film. I know I get it right. Just trying to show y'all my LT chef skills. But hey, the truth is, I really can't cook. That was my first time making that kind of macaroni and cheese. I was just winging it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she tried to come in. I'm so sad my daughter's leaving tomorrow. But hey, check it out, guys. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you at the top.